Hey guys, Kenneth here at Dogwood Graphics here in South Hill, Virginia. These guys do all of our prints for us, between our signs, our business cards, our flyers, some of our truck wraps. Great company to work with. Let's go inside, meet Brian, and see what they do.
Welcome to Dogwood Graphics. My name is Brian Santor. I just wanted to give you a little walk around and show you what we do here today. We've been in business since 1990. So in this room, this is pretty much where we handle our blueprints, large formats, do it on these machines. We have the 2 design computers in here. Most of our design work is done by Rachel Taylor, and she works remotely, but we still have to handle some of it in here. So after design gets done, we come in here to the press room, and this right here is where most of the press work is done. We have 2 offset presses in here, and they both have 2 color heads, so we're able to do 1 color and 2 color in a single pass. If we got a bunch of full color work, we will do that over here on our digital presses, and that's these machines. We got 2 of them, and those are done. It can do up to 13 by 19 sheets, and it will print full color, 2-sided, print books. Books will come out fully complete, bound and complete and everything. This machine will cut stacks of papers, and we're cutting business cards, anything. Like, we print everything on big sheets and then we cut it all down. This blade right here, it'll cut through stuff this thick right here, no problem. So back here, this is where we do most of the vinyl work. So we have the vinyl machine, and anything that's getting done on vinyl or on big signs type stuff will be done back here on this machine. And we even got some stuff over here that we just done for Kenneth. These are some magnets that we just did. So if you need any magnets done, we can do that for you too. So what we typically tell people is if it's on paper, we can typically do it. And then the signs and vinyl stuff, most of that stuff we can handle too. They can get in touch with us at 434-447-6004, and they can email us at artwork@dogwoodgraphics.com. Just go to Facebook and look up Dogwood Graphics Inc. and it should come up.